Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Liquidagents, healthcare jobs, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Liquidagents is a healthcare staffing app designed to help nurses and allied health professionals find travel, per-diem, and contract-based job opportunities across the United States. The platform focuses on fast job matching, transparent pay packages, and simplified communication with recruiters. It's available on both iOS and Android, giving healthcare workers an easy way to search and apply for assignments on the go. The app's main feature is its job search system. You can browse open assignments, compare pay, view facility information, and submit applications directly. It also allows you to upload documents, track onboarding steps, and stay in touch with your recruiter for updates, making the entire process more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clear pay breakdowns, quick recruiter response time, and the variety of assignments available across specialties. The streamlined onboarding process and mobile-friendly interface make it easier for travel nurses and healthcare professionals to manage paperwork and find assignments quickly. Some also like that the app frequently updates job listings, ensuring fresh opportunities. However, there are some drawbacks. Job availability may vary by specialty and location, and competitive roles can fill quickly. Some users also mention occasional delays in updates or communication during peak seasons. In addition, certain features may require frequent document uploads, which can feel repetitive for some users. In summary, the Liquidagents app may be worth using if you want a straightforward way to browse travel healthcare jobs, compare pay packages, and stay connected with recruiters during the onboarding process. However, if you prefer agencies with guaranteed placement or broader specialty coverage, it might not offer everything you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.